Hi everyone, welcome to Junior Lab Coats. Today we're going to be making non-Newtonian matter. So for this experiment you're going to need cornstarch, water, 1/4 measuring cup, a tablespoon, and a container. It doesn't have to be clear, you can also use a bowl. And then you can also you'll need a stirring spoon. I'm just going to use the tablespoon, but you can use a different one if you want. So let's get started. So start by putting a 1/4 cup of cornstarch into the container. Doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best. Okay, that's good enough. And then take your water and add 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, and let's mix it. So make sure to get it all combined. Ooh, it's a little messy. That's okay. If it's not enough water, you can always add more. It's pretty forgiving. So I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay. So you can see that it's forming this kind of goopy, weird substance, right? It's kind of like sticky, but also liquidy. So why is that? That's kind of weird, huh? So let's pick some of it up. And what does it do when it's just in your hand? Just falls off, right? But let's pick some more up and now squeeze it. Feels like a solid, right? The reason that it feels like a liquid and a solid is because it does not follow Sir Isaac Newton's law of viscosity. Now that was a lot of science talk, so let me break it down for you. Sir Isaac Newton was a great scientist and mathematician from the 1600s. He made a lot of laws about the world around us. One of his laws is the law of viscosity, and this law says that the state that a liquid is in cannot be changed with added pressure. So what we just made now is called non-Newtonian matter because the state changes when we squeeze it and add pressure. So this breaks the law of viscosity. When I just hold it in my hand, it feels like a liquid. But when I squeeze it, adding pressure, it's like a solid. You can keep this matter for some time and play with it, but when you want to dispose it, make sure that you do not put it in the sink because with added pressure, it could become a solid and clog the sink. So make sure you throw it in the trash. I hope you've enjoyed this experiment. If you have any questions or comments, do not hesitate to email us. It would be great to hear from you. See you later.